Namaste bachcho, welcome back to the channel Cell the Unit of Life. This chapter is also called as Cell, its structure and organization. Some of the textbook mein you will find this chapter is also called as Cell the Fundamental Unit of Life. So chapter का नाम कुछ भी हो पर कॉन्सेप्ट सेम रहता है बेटा. हमने हमारे पिछले लेक्चर में प्लांट सेल डिस्कस किया था डिटेल में और फॉर दिस लेक्चर वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस द डायग्राम ऑफ एनिमल सेल इन डिटेल. ओके, I have drawn this diagram. We will focus on the content of the animal cell. What are the different organelles present inside the animal cell? We have to look upon. Okay. To quickly begin with, animal cell में you will find these finger-like projections on top. These are called as microvilli. Micro means small and villi means finger-like projection beta. Then the innermost margin, this white color का margin, this is called as a cell membrane, which is also called as plasma membrane. Now sir, how do I draw animal cell? Very simple beta. Okay, you take approx shape like this. Then here you draw hair-like structures, up you draw hair-like structures, or finger-like structures beta. Double it up. See, 2 मिनट में बेसिक फ्रेमवर्क आ जाएगा तुझे. और यहाँ का ना, then what you are supposed to do is ब्लॉक्स बनाओ यहाँ पे at regular intervals. बॉक्सेस बनाओ इसके अंदर बेटा. Make it narrow here, more narrow, and then end it. खत्म कर दो उसको. अब इसके बाद सेंटर में ना 3 एक्सेस लेके रखो बेटा. एक्स एक्सेस, वाई एक्सेस, जेड एक्सेस. ओके, फिर न्यूक्लियस बनाओ. उसके लिए भी यू आर गोइंग टू टेक 3 एक्सेस बेटा. ओके, न्यूक्लियस को यू कवर इट अप विद सेमी सर्कल्स. ओके, उसके अंदर ड्रॉ अ पैच. नाउ दिस ब्लू कलर का पैच एट द सेंटर इज कॉल्ड एज न्यूक्लियोलस. ओके, और आजू बाजू में जो सेमी सर्कल जैसा ना, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज न्यूक्लियस. द कवरिंग ऑफ द न्यूक्लियस, ओके, द रिमेनिंग कवरिंग ऑफ द न्यूक्लियस इज कॉल्ड एज दिस मार्जिन. हियर वी गो. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज न्यूक्लियर एनवलप. Now once you are through with nucleus, so make it double, come down, make it double, come down, and at regular intervals, okay, you need to draw endoplasmic reticulum. नीचे की तरफ भी डबल करके उसको क्लोज कर दो बेटा. Okay, then other than that, what you need to draw is this mitochondria, powerhouse of cell. How do we draw mitochondria? On previous lecture में I have already explained बेटा. Bean shaped structure. Give a 3D view. Tube, tube, tube. Alternate side पे tubes. That's how you draw mitochondria और उसको fill up कर दो बेटा. अच्छा, other than that, what do you see? You see this structure close to the nucleus, which is called as centriole. Centriole is responsible for cell division. Remember this point, centriole is present only in animal cell. It is absent in plant cell. Plant cell में हम लोग ने क्या देखा था? Cell wall is present only in plant cell. Chloroplast is present only in plant cell. Large central vacuole is present only in plant cell. और animal cell की speciality क्या है? Centriole is present in plant cell. How do you draw centriole? Very simple. Okay, you draw a circle बेटा, oval shape structure. Draw bars parallel to it, all lines parallel to it बेटा. Okay. Then this red color का structure is Golgi apparatus. You can also call it as Golgi complex. Then this endoplasmic reticulum without spots on it, the one with spots, ये spots वाले को हम लोग बोलेंगे rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic रेटिकुलम। ओके, और जिसपे स्पॉट्स नहीं है दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम। Okay, fine. Now, other than that, whatever jelly-like material is left after, that is cytoplasm. All right. Golgi complex, microvilli. Let's see what is left. हाँ, you will see this red color का spots which are left. These are suicidal bags called as lysosomes. And then small white color का spots which are protein factories called as ribosomes. So what you have to do is mitochondria fill up कर दो इसमें, Golgi apparatus fill up कर दो. Okay, lysosomes spots की तरह दिखाओ बेटा, ribosomes छोटे spots की तरह दिखाओ. Draw few fibers and the remaining is cytoplasm. Right? Fine. Are we missing on to something? Nah. चलो, take a screenshot of this बेटा. Take a screenshot. Done? Okay. Now you practice this diagram in your rough notebook, specifically the naming. The naming comes in exams better. Okay. In all different forms of entrance exam also the naming can be expected. So you're supposed to know the naming very precisely. Okay. If you need further reference, you can go into NCERT textbook better. Okay. So that's all about this lecture where we have spoken about the diagram of animal cell. I hope you all appreciate this work. Okay. And you all will appreciate the passion to learn biology. Till then, read bio, bleed bio, yo-yo bio. Thank you, beta.
पूरा 7 मिनट का